Local news for Tuesday the 26th of June. Masterton skateboarder Jamie Hatchard has swamped the ups and downs of his local skate park for the South Pacific Ocean as a future operations specialist in the Royal New Zealand Navy. Ordinary Seaman Hatchard, 18, who attended Te Nui School and Wairarapa College, will step out aboard 90 along with 90 trainees at the end of this month after 18 weeks of basic training at the Devonport Naval Base in Auckland. Wairarapa businesses are leading the way in New Zealand, making it a world-class sustainable visitor destination following recent recognition by Qualmark New Zealand. David Hancock, General Manager of Destination Wairarapa, says State Highway 2 has turned to gold following recognition by Qualmark New Zealand, with 3 operators, Pukaha Bruce, Tuibury and Transit Group, awarded the Gold Sustainable Business Award. Congratulations. And in sport, Wairarapa United men and women are through to the next rounds of the Chatham and Kate Shepherd Cups, the men winning 5-0 over Wellington United and the women 2-0 over Upper Hutt.